The Coffee Collective does brisk business in the heart of this college town. But the shop's success can't be measured in just dollars and cents. The 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, are important functions of any business, but they are just one part of a company's marketing plan, not the only part. The 4 Ps represent the implementation phase, but you can't offer a quality product at a fair market price in the right place without first going through the necessary steps of planning. Martha had always dreamed of opening up an independent coffee house, but she knew there was a lot of competition. She used a SWOT analysis to assess her own internal business plan and the external environment. The big corporate franchise, $5, churns out cup after cup of consistent coffee, but doesn't offer much to locals beyond a place to sit and some Wi-Fi. And the local convenience store on the opposite corner has no amenities at all. Martha saw an opportunity. She dreamed of offering an alternative spot where college students could study, socialize, and buy a quality cup of coffee made with fair trade beans from local artisanal roasters, services she knew would appeal to the neighborhood demographic. Sure, she'd probably have to charge a little more, but she could offer a community environment that her competition can't match. With the planning phase complete, Martha is able to put her customized brew of the 4 Ps into action. By targeting the right market segment and positioning the Coffee Collective as the place for students to come, connect, and drink coffee, of course. When Martha evaluates her marketing efforts, the 3rd phase of the marketing plan, she can trace back the Coffee Collective's success to her unique brand of products and services and strong customer relationships that result in repeat business and loyal customers. After all, you don't become successful by selling just one cup of coffee, but by having a marketing plan that helps you resell that coffee experience over and over again.